How to manage your target registry on mobile. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide in order to manage it very easy and fast so you can follow out this method for that. So we can open up the target application on our mobile device for that, and we can sign in with the account linked to our registry. Once we do so, we can tap on the profile icon in the top right and tap on it, open it up, and look out for the option called My Target Manage Account and tap on it. Once we've done that, what we can do is, and our profile appears here, we can scroll down from the given sections and look out for registry and wish list and go ahead and tap on it. Once we tap on it, we'll be taken to the registry and wish list page. So we can just go over and select about registry here that we have. We can just go and select those such as wedding, baby, or anything else. Now, once we have done that, we can add or remove products from here. We can just go over and, search for a product. You can find a specific product that you've added to your registry. And once we have done that, we can just go over and choose our registry and quantity, and then head over and add up the items. There you just need to provide in the registry items details in order to add it, and once you've chosen the quantity and the registry, the product will be added. Similarly, if you want to remove the item, you can head over again to the registry list and tap on the item that you would like to remove. Once you find it up, you can tap on remove and confirm it up and update your registry details such as your event date, your shipping address, your registry privacy, public or private, and notes for guests, and just go and tap on save. And you can once it is saved, you can share it through anything else via email, text, or social media and track your gifts and quantities that way. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. You can follow out this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.